remains a risk in areas of North Queensland during today and overnight. And for Monday the 28th of January, welcome to another update, Force 13. Severe weather warning for heavy rainfall remains in place for the lower Burdekin parts of the North Tropical Coast tablelands, the northern Goldfields, upper Flinders, central coast, Whitsundays, central Highlands and Coalfields. The monsoon trough currently extends across far north Queensland and is forecast to shift slowly southwards over North Queensland during today. Heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding as forecast about the coast adjacent inland areas between Cardwell, the areas just north of Mackay, during today and overnight. 6 hourly rainfall totals of 100 to 150 millimetres likely, with likely heavier falls possible with thunderstorms. Locations which may be affected: Hinchbrook, Barron, that brings back a few memories. Ingham, Townsville, Guru, Ayr, Collinsville, Palm, Island, Bowen, Proserpine, Charter Towers and the Hamilton Island, and some impressive rainfall totals for the island. And a flood watch remains in place for catchments from Innisfail to Proserpine, along with various flood warnings. Bureau Meteorology here in Queensland has a strong wind warning for the Torres Strait and Townsville coast. Bureau has cancelled their one for the Goffs and Mulgrave coast, New South Wales. No warnings for Victoria. No warnings for South Australia. And again a warning for the southwest coast. Strong wind warning for the upper east coast, lower east, southeast, central west coast, Tasmania, and a small craft alert for the central plateau lakes and southwest lakes. Now we have a close look at the 12-hourly rainfall for the Queensland northern coastal regions. The rainfall scale on the right hand side of the screen, and it's the area in green to dark green. And again, it's the west coast of Cape York, and this is the current picture for today. And I think it retracts back up the coast. Now we have a look at the national look. And the Daintree with a major flooding set a new record at beating the 1901 total. The Bureau's total forecast of rain, and again look at the pink, purple to red. And this is only a conservative look. The Bureau's rainfall is made up of many models. Now, instability. It looks like there might be a bit of thunderstorm activity for parts of New South Wales. No warnings for the Northern Territory, and we switch over to WA. They've got a fire weather warning for inland central west, coastal central west, the north lower west inland, Ravensthorpe, Shire inland, upper Great Southern, Mort Rock, Avon fire weather districts. And Tropical Cyclone Wiley lies over open waters well to the northwest of the Pilbara coast. Now we have a look at the precipitation. Each of these images are 3 hourly periods, and the information's at the bottom of the screen. Tropical Cyclone Cat 2 Wiley is forecast to move towards the west-southwest over the next few days, and continuing on its path away from the WA mainland. However, Wiley is expected to weaken during today. Upper level divergence is very strong over the Mackay region. It's actually up around 50 knots wind shear. The 24-hour shear tendency. A 50 millibar vorticity. It's the area Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, and the Tropical Cyclone Formation Probability Guide, and look at the top end of Australia, the Gulf. Now we have a look at some models. The tracks on Invest 95P. It's still on the radar. That's that low pressure system at the bottom of Cape York. Now here's the EPS track guidance on the Invest. And the intensity guidance only has it around 20 knots, but the Bureau of Meteorology is undertaking regular observation readings. Now this is a look at various models, anywhere up to 240 hours. And there is a model aligning that we could see something happening in the Gulf and to the east of Cairns. The Vanuatu Meteorological Services service chart. And now we have a look at the NOAA floaters. And quite a bit of flaring between Townsville and Mackay. I was wondering whether there was another low pressure system, but Invest 95 is actually heading towards the southwest southern Gulf of Carpentaria region. We will continue to bring the latest information on this. I'm not sure whether the main channel is doing a further update on a tropical cyclone Wiley. What I can say is that Invest 90S over there in the Cocos Keeling Island is still with us. Now this is a life of the Invest 95P up to a few hours ago.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.